Alright, so we are now going to assemble the second of 3 base cabinets. One thing I just wanted to go over in case anyone else is following these plans. Like I said, Jay's plans are awesome. So I already built B2 right there. And I'm going to put B1 together now. Now if you notice on the top how these two pieces are laid out, if you watch Jay's video, this piece is perpendicular along the back. So I emailed Jay, and he actually got back to me in like 30 seconds and said the plans are right, the video, he did do this incorrect. So, because I wasn't sure if I had put those on correctly or not, and they are correct. So I feel better about that. Just getting ready to glue and screw this together. I'm just trying to use one of my right angle clamps and some scraps to hold this up so I can glue it together myself. I haven't got a chance to buy one of the Craig pocket hole clamps, which I really want to get. But I've bought a decent amount of tools lately, so I'm going to hold off. I'm going to get started on this and glue it up. I wanted to go over one thing with the, see if that'll focus. You can tell it's been used. It was starting to slip on me, so I emailed Craig and told him what was up, and they sent me for free 2 replacement drivers, which I thought was pretty cool. So let's see. I thought I had them both in here. There it is, a new one. Let's see. Actually, this is the old one. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. It's the old one. So we're going to use the new one. That's going to go in there. Got our glue. Ready to go. This is my improvised way of having an extra hand, keeping this somewhat square when I screw it in by myself without the Craig pocket hole clamp. It works. You know, it's nothing crazy. I'm still learning, but once I set that, it usually goes in pretty good and helps me out. So if you think it's a bad idea, let me know. I'm always looking to learn. Alright, so I got all these pocket holes in, screwed in, and glued. Now we're going to put this last side panel on. Alright, we got the second cabinet put together. Of course, as always, there's found some minor mistakes. I had everything set for 3/4, and I still got a couple screws that came through, so I don't know. I might have used pocket hole screws, might be too long, or I could have had I drilled too deep. These are 1.25 inches. I believe over here they were alright, so I think what happened was I was rushing the drill, and I think, let's see where these holes are. I think I got too close to the edge of this piece, and that's why they came through. So that's probably just my error. But I'm going to cut the 2x. I'll go in here next and put them in, and that one will be ready to get the T-nuts, or the holes drilled for the T-nuts, which I'll probably do that all at the end once I have all 3 cabinets made. Sorry if I'm too close. There we go. So we got 2 made so far. Now I'm going to cut the 2x, put them in, and I'll get back. Alright, so I cut the 2x down. They're going to fit right in here. This side I did run through the joiner just so it would be square, because these were construction grade 2x4s, and they're normally rounded. So I got a straight edge, fit right in. This one's a hair loose. This one's pretty snug. I don't want to I just glue these up. I don't want to get too snug and push them out while they're drying. But these go right in. This one I cut a little snug. There we go. And go right in there. These will be glued and screwed through. And then again, we're going to drill our 4 holes, tap in the T-nuts, and use the carriage bolts as leveling feet. So we got these 2 done. Probably get to that one tomorrow because dinner's just about ready. So we'll get that started tomorrow, and then we're going to be able to start laying it out. Alright, as you can see, we have all 3 of the base cabinets assembled. They're actually pretty level without the carriage bolts, and you can kind of see how the layout's going to be. I didn't measure this exactly. This is obviously going to be in this far corner with the full sheet going from corner over, and all this will be gone. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to stop at Home Depot and get the T-nuts, the carriage bolts, so I can drill and install them, and then I can put them in place, level them up, and then start putting the sheets down.